Hello friends, today we will discuss about the capital budgeting techniques. As we all know, capital budgeting is done for the capital assets so that we can know about the revenues and expenses that will help us to know about the cash flows. These cash flows will help us to know about the viability of the project. Now, how will we understand the viability of the project? For that, we use certain techniques. Okay, so we will discuss about the capital budgeting techniques. There are two. These are classified into two. First one is traditional, or we can say non-discounting method or techniques, and the other one is the discounting cash flow techniques. The difference between both these method is that in the traditional or non-discounting method, we don't consider the concept of the time value of money, but in the discounted cash flow techniques we do consider about the time value of the money. Now further, the traditional and non-discounting or the discounting cash flow techniques are further subclassified into certain parts. The traditional and non-discounted is divided into two parts, that is payback period method and another one is the accounting rate of return method. Similarly, the discounting cash flow technique is divided into 5 parts. The first one is NPV, that stands for net present value. The other one is PI, that stands for profitability index. Then comes IRR, that stands for internal rate of return. Then comes MIRR, that is modified internal rate of return, and the last one is discounting payback method. That's all for today. Thank you.